what you gonna do?
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the Tiffany Louann channel. This video is gonna be another one of those like recreating wallpapers because it's just really fun to do that. I guess this is kind of like a series that I'm doing. I guess there is a playlist for this whole series. I can put it on the eye if you want to go and check it out. But it's pretty much a series where I find wallpapers on Pinterest and I try to recreate them. So that's what this video is. And this time, instead of trying to look for one during the video, I have one already like planned out. So if you want to see me try to recreate a wallpaper, then keep watching. So there you go. So this is my Pinterest feed. As you see, I have a lot of hollow things because I'm a holosexual, and as I was looking through, I saw one that, if I can find it, apparently now you can do like stories, and I found it through a story, so it's gonna be hard to like show you what it is, but it was this one. I thought it was really pretty, and it says there is a huge amount of freedom that comes to you when you don't take things personally, and that's true, but the way I'm gonna make it is I am not gonna do the same exact quote. I'm gonna do something different. So it's hard to save this, so can I screenshot it like this? Aha, I did. And I'm gonna be using the app called Art Studio, if it'll load. Yeah, I was trying to make something, but that's the app that I'm gonna be using for this. But I'm gonna go and get the pieces that I need. So I like to use We Hearted a lot for different things, so that's what we're gonna do. This one looks cool. Maybe we can use this one. Then we're gonna go into Art Studio. Gonna make a new document. We're gonna make it the size of the iPhone 6s, which is the iPhone that I have. Make it transparent and then create. I like to have a transparent background when I do my wallpapers because I just feel like it's more of a clean slate, like there's nothing there, so it's just, yeah. So now we're gonna import the black. Import as a layer from photos. Okay, so now we need to transform it. I can't remember how to do this! It's under edit, transform layer, scale. We gotta make it bigger, like so. So now it's just like that. And then there was like a box in the middle that had like a white border, so I need to go make that. So we're gonna use the selection tool, the square one. We can do it a different way. We can either make the white box behind the black box or make a black box and then put a border around it. We'll do the black one. This can be done on a new layer. Then we can take the paint bucket tool and make it black. Now since that's selected, we can expand it. We'll do about, can I do maybe 10 pixels? Alright, so now we need to change it to white. That actually looks good! Wow. Then we need to go select, deselect, and now we have this. Now we need to pick the quote that is going to go on the box. Let's try to find like a nice inspirational quote. But we can do don't be afraid to chase your dreams. And we can change it to like the Buisiness font. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but something that's like that. I'm trying to find a font like it, but I can't. Well, this one. This one's probably the closest bit. That actually looks really cute. I just want the box to be in the middle. Is there a way that I can align it so it's in the middle? And layer. Nope. Edit. I actually like that. That actually looks pretty cool. So that was recreating Pinterest wallpapers, episode number 3, I guess you could call it. But yeah, I know this may have been kind of short, but it didn't take that long to make it. So I will put that wallpaper on my Facebook page, which if you don't have it liked already, it's just facebook.com/Tiffany Louann on YouTube. And just go and like it so that you get updates about my channel. And maybe if I give out stuff like this, then you guys can go and download it and stuff like that. So go and like it. It can also be linked down below if you want to just click it and go to it. So yeah. So I hope that you liked that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you like my content. And if you want to get notified for when I post or upload, just hit the bell icon that's right next to the subscribe button so that you can get notifications, because YouTube. And yeah, so click the video that's on your screen right now to watch my last video that was uploaded, and hit my channel icon to subscribe to this channel, and hit my vlog channel icon to subscribe to that channel. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! I wanna be part of it all. To a world I see, to a world we close our eyes to see. We close our eyes to see. Sorry. It's just me.